Part 4 of preparing for holiday markets. Okay, so it is Wednesday and my market is on Saturday. So I have a couple of days to get ready for this upcoming market. This one is actually in Burlington. So it's like 15 minutes away from me, and it's only handmade market. So I've got to step up my game for this market. So today a bunch of my stuff that I ordered from Amazon is supposed to be coming in. I just took it out, and that one is heavy. Now for the second one. Okay, time to open the packages. Packaging. Okay. Halloween charms are all leaking because they are open. Great. What? These are so, oh my god. Just stabbed myself with the scissors. This is not what I ordered. I thought they would be bigger. And then these are all the charms. And this is my tinted lip balm. Okay. What's inside here? Stickers, yes. For the market. I just put these out in a little tray or a little container. And oops. And then everybody who buys something gets two, like they can pick, and they get candy or something little like a treat. And then if people don't buy it, they can still get a sticker. It's a sticker, it's fine. And then these I have to make studs with. Like a Hulk, like a pink Hulk. This is what I was thinking when I ordered these. Oh my god, like this is how it should be. Okay, this is the table cover, the table skirt. I'm so happy I ordered this. Okay, now for this. This is a stand. I think, what did I order? I think it's a stand kind of thing. I know what I ordered, it just completely slipped my mind right now. What did I order? Oh, it's the pegboards. Oh. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Ow. Ow! It's used. It's freaking used. Oh my god, how terrible. Somebody used it and then returned it. Look. That's terrible. And then they just sent me that one. The same one. That's so bad. Okay, anyways, that's the end of the video. Moving on from the negativity, let me show you guys the stickers. I haven't seen them, but they look so cute already from what I can see. Let's open up the first package. And so these seem to be matte stickers. They're super smooth to the touch and they don't look shiny at all. The designs are adorable. I love these, and I might just have to take the first pick and just choose some stickers for myself to keep. And oh, actually, my laptop, it does not have anything on the back right now, so I think I'm gonna have to bedazzle it up. And the second pack of stickers, it looks like it's glossy. These are not matte, and the look is definitely shiny. There seems to be a difference between the designs too. Like for example, I think the glossy ones, these ones, are a little bit more colorful, whereas the other ones are mostly like white or black or green. A combination of those three colors. Anyways, this pack is just amazing. It was not expensive. It was actually pretty affordable for me, and it has a very good variety of stickers.